Detailing my lips here, getting ready to pucker up, get down on my knees in a different aspect.
So you guys may remember my famous Tinder date does my voiceover video from 4 years ago.
I go for this look all the time. I've only stolen 3 husbands so far, but that's not a big deal. Let's talk about that later.
I thought it'd be funny to do Boyfriend Does My Voiceover. Since I don't have a boyfriend, I thought I'd use a Tinder date, so
And that's me.
And since not much has changed in 5 years,
hi honey.
I'm gonna look at my Ed Sheeran look alike.
today I'm wrangling my resident boyfriends to do my voiceover again.
That was perfect.
What's up, motherfuckers?
Hey honey.
You got the wrong place.
It's me,
I was doing, I was beating some meat. Like tendering the meat.
Yeah, right.
So per popular demand and without further ado, my boyfriends, yes plural, do my voiceover.
Do you know anything about makeup aside of the video that we did?
Not a clue, no.
Perfect, okay.
Do we just have a moment right there? We
I
were like
think we did have
looking into each other. I thought, did I read that wrong?
I don't know, bye. No.
Hey guys, Amber here. Today we're gonna be doing a nice, luscious foundation, and we're gonna be starting off pretty light. We're gonna cake this on under my eyes here, my chin, weave it on in, and we're just gonna have fun today and get real creative and sparkly and fun. So hang along for the ride. Feeling purr. Moving on to our lipstick. Oh shoot. Moving on to our highlighter. We got our highlighter coming in. As you can see, I'm accentuating the bone structure in my face. I got my cheekbones popping. I don't know what I'm doing to my forehead, to be honest with you guys, but we're doing it. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend that in. I feel like that's how you would say it. Every girl's makeup tutorial sounds the same. Okay, moving on to the bottom cheekbones. You can see it's really, it's really coming together here. I still am clueless on what I'm doing on my forehead here, guys. I'm just making this up as I go. Anyway, you can see it looks good. Now we are moving on to the highlight. I don't know what the this is either, but I am taking the dark circles out of my eyes. Oh my gosh, adorbs. Cute. Anyway, let's blend it in now. And that's gonna make me glow and look super pretty. Done. And we are gonna finish up with a nice autumn blend, brush style stroke. What do you guys think so far? Comment below your thoughts. I don't know what this little mirror is doing, but it's making me giggle. And so is that brush going up my nose. Anywho, back in action, we are now adding shadow tones. Shadow tones under my everywhere. Apparently, we are going everywhere with the shadow tone. I don't know what we're doing here. We got the Gucci palette. You know this cost a bag. All right, and Kevin's gonna take it from here, so good luck, Kevin.
Say whatever the you want. Literally rip the audio
Penis
out
1
of
2
it.
3. Penis 1 2 3. Just let us know if that works.
Okay.
And there's my Gucci palette. As you guys know, I bought it 12 years ago. It's fantastic. I like to use the white shadow part to put above my eyelids, because everyone knows you need perfect white eyelids. And then the brown, because the brown and the white really accents the shadow part of my top eyeball, and men love eyeballs to be colorful. So then I get the bottom using the brown as well, because that's the brown. Then better than sex, I gotta love this eyeliner that is going eye triangle. It's an eye triangle, really. What this does is it really accents the eye and pushes it back. And the reason why I love this product is because it's all sourced from Italy. And as you can tell here, I like to make it just one long line. That's why it's an eyeliner. It's I'm lined. Then you want to go to the bottom. That's the most important part, the bottom, because it matches the top, and that's what we want here. That was a crayon, I believe. This is my new eyebrow fix pen, and what this pen does is it, as you can tell, that's what it does. So looking for really fancy over here. You like that, Tiger? And then once I'm done, I've never felt more alive.
gotta start doing makeup tutorials, bro. That felt amazing. Wow.
Literally sent me. Are you ready? This is such a flashback.
I'm gonna do the best I can. If you guys remember, I did this 5 years ago for you. So
Oh,
here we go, round
isn't
two.
that cute? We're still friends. Okay, let's see.
Now I'm gonna show you how to turn nothing to something. These are my eyebrows. Believe it or not, I actually have very little eyebrow tape down in there, but now I'm gonna create a bushy eyebrow. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, a little more work needs to be put into this because my little curly fries down below aren't doing all that they need to do. But moving on from the eyebrows, because as you can see, they look snatched. Now, we're gonna shine up our nose a little bit. Yeah, you can see I'm shining it up. We're gonna shine up the cheeks, because without them, I would have no cheeks. Now we're gonna throw more lashes on my eyes because mine weren't good enough. And the next thing we're gonna grab is our NYX Professional. Oh my God. Wait. Oh, it's drawing me new lips. I didn't know that this was possible, but this little pencil here is shading and fading and making my lips look 2 times as big for literally only $3. That's how much I bought this pencil for. Lips look plump and I am ready to pluck a nose hair. Oh, never mind. I mean, I'm making even more lip with this brush. We are gonna paint the edges, smooth out the crustiness of my saliva. Now we're gonna grab up the lip oil. Just put this on if you wanna look like you're ready for a kiss at any moment. Next, I'm gonna put on my face spray because I need to hold all this $30 worth of makeup on my face. Oh my God, I got it in my eyes a little. Wow, look at that jawline. I just created it. Yep, this whole face I created from scratch. You guys can do it too. You wanna glam and glimmer like me? Well, all you need is a whole bunch of great makeup, and you too can look like a supermodel. This is going on for so long.
I forgot to edit the short.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. This has been an Amber Scholl original. I hope you like this glow. See you, broke bitches. And next week, we'll teach you how to be even less broke for less money. Jesus, still went on for another 38 seconds.
It's just, I forgot to make it not this long.
That's what I do best, you know, I voice over makeup tutorials.
You guys, I have a funny idea for the outro, so here we go. So I'm gonna be like, thanks for watching.
But
you
it's
know what
my
I'm saying?
arms.
But it's your arms.
Okay,
So like,
I got it.
okay, scoot back. Okay. Thanks for watching my tutorial. As you can tell, my hair looked really good in it, and so did my nose. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and check out all my other boyfriends in the link in the description. Mwah! I'm gonna try and blow a kiss mwah, from my chin. Oh, there goes my hat.
Do we have it?
That was amazing. Oh, this is fierce.
Ooh. Ooh. Mamacita.